Welcome to another episode where we dive deep into the latest in recruitment strategies, AI innovations, and HR solutions. If you're looking to elevate your hiring game and stay ahead in the ever-evolving world of talent acquisition, you're in the right place. Make sure to like, follow, and subscribe so you never miss an episode filled with insights, expert interviews, and actionable tips to transform your recruitment approach. Stay tuned for exclusive content designed to make your hiring process smarter, faster, and more effective.
Hey everyone, welcome back for another deep dive.
Excited to be here.
So today we're looking at some ways developers can use their skills to earn on the side.
Yeah, and specifically with crypto?
Exactly, side hustles in the crypto world, you know?
Very for developers, right?
Absolutely.
Because the market is, well, it's just exploding right now.
Yeah, I've been hearing that a lot lately.
So many new jobs popping up.
And a lot of those are aimed at developers.
Oh, yeah, for sure. And it's not just for
The blockchain wizards.
right, like the hardcore blockchain experts. It's for all sorts of developers.
Okay, so someone with my kind of general web dev skills could actually find something.
Totally. Think about it this way.
Right.
Crypto is like building a new city from scratch.
Okay.
You need people to design the buildings, people to build the roads, put in the plumbing, everything.
Like a whole new digital infrastructure
Exactly. And that's where developers come in.
to build it all.
Yeah. And the crypto community is definitely willing to pay for that.
Okay, I like that analogy a lot.
Thanks.
So where do we find these crypto gigs? Are there like
Oh, yeah.
certain websites we should be looking at?
There are definitely platforms out there.
Go.
Some of them are kind of like the traditional job boards, but tailored specifically for crypto.
Okay.
And some of them are more like open source communities where you contribute and earn that way.
Gotcha. So can you give us some examples of these platforms?
Yeah, so one of the most well-known is probably Gitcoin.
Gitcoin. Okay, I've heard that name before.
Yeah, it's really focused on open source development and a good way to kind of get your feet wet in crypto.
I see. So open source. So we'd be contributing to projects that could
Right.
benefit, everyone.
Exactly, and getting paid in crypto to do it.
That's very cool. Okay, so how does that work?
So on Gitcoin, you'll find something called bounties.
Bounties.
Yeah, and these are essentially tasks or challenges posted by projects that need particular skills.
Okay.
So it could be anything like fixing a bug in some code, developing a new feature, and
I see.
you complete the bounty, you get rewarded.
So like digital wanted posters for developers.
Uh-huh. Yeah, kind of.
But instead of catching bad guys, we're catching bugs.
Exactly.
Okay, I like that.
It's a great way to learn and build your portfolio.
Yeah, for sure. Okay. And we earn crypto doing it,
Yeah, plus you get to be part of that whole open source community.
which is really important in the crypto space.
It's definitely a big part of it.
Okay, so Gitcoin's a good one. Are there any other platforms we should be looking at?
Oh, yeah, for sure. If you want more like traditional job postings, there's Crypto Job List
Okay.
and LaborX.
LaborX. Okay, and those are more like just straight up jobs.
Yeah, a wider range of roles too, like blockchain development, marketing, content creation, and
Wait, marketing and content creation.
yeah, it's not all just straight coding. They need people for everything.
So even if I'm not, the best coder, I could still,
Absolutely.
potentially find something.
Yeah, the crypto world needs everything. It's a whole ecosystem.
Okay, I didn't realize how many different types of jobs were out there.
Yeah.
Okay, so that's great. So now let's say, I want to get serious about this.
Okay.
What should I be doing to,
Yeah.
spruce up my online profiles?
Yeah, you want to give your online presence a little bit of a crypto makeover.
A crypto makeover.
Think of it like this.
Okay.
If you're applying to be a chef, you don't show up to the interview in a spacesuit.
Right.
Your profiles need to kind of match the world you want to work in.
Gotcha. So how do we do that?
Well, anything you've done with blockchain development is great.
Yep.
Like if you know Solidity or Rust, Viper, these are
These are the blockchain languages.
yeah, the languages of crypto. So if you have those skills,
Okay.
definitely highlight those.
Put that front and center.
Yeah, but even if you haven't worked directly with blockchain, things like smart contract auditing,
Okay.
automation, API integration, these are all really valuable.
Okay. So my existing skills as a back-end developer
Totally.
could actually translate.
For sure, because security is so important in the crypto world.
Yeah, of course.
So anyone who can spot vulnerabilities and, make sure code is really tight,
Yeah.
that's valuable.
Okay. That's good to know.
And also any crypto-related projects you worked on, even just personal stuff, like,
Yeah.
did you contribute to an open source project?
Uh-huh.
Participate in a hackathon, anything like that. Those are all good to highlight.
Okay, so it's not just about the, hard skills. It's about showing you're interested in the space.
Exactly. Passion goes a long way in this world.
Okay, that makes sense.
So yeah, even if you're just active in online communities, engaging in discussions on crypto Twitter,
Right.
let people know, shows that you're part of the community.
That you're bought in.
Yeah, not just chasing the money.
Yeah. Okay, that's great. So we've got our profiles all updated and cryptofied.
Right.
Now, how do we actually connect with some of these opportunities?
Well, I'd say one of the best ways to get involved is with DAOs.
DAOs.
Yeah. Have you heard much about DAOs?
I've heard the term, yeah. I'm not really sure exactly what that is, though.
Okay, well,
Yeah, if you could break that down.
so imagine, a group of friends pooling their money together to buy a video game console.
Oh.
And they all get to vote on which games they buy, how to use it, how to share any profits they make, like renting it out or something.
Okay.
So that's kind of like a DAO, but instead of friends, it's this global community of people
Okay.
online with a shared mission. And instead of a console, it's like a
blockchain-powered organization.
Exactly, working on all sorts of projects.
So it's like a decentralized company, but run by the community.
Exactly.
Okay, that's interesting. So how do DAOs relate to developers?
Well, a lot of DAOs need developers to contribute to their projects.
Okay.
And they usually pay in crypto.
I see. So I could actually
Yeah.
work for a DAO and get paid in crypto.
Yeah, and there are some DAOs specifically for developers, like Developer DAO. You can find projects there, bounties, get involved in the community.
This is really interesting. So how do I find these DAOs?
Well, the best places to look are Discord and Telegram.
Oh,
Those are kind of like the main hangouts for crypto people.
like the town squares.
Yeah, you'll find tons of DAO-related channels and groups there.
Okay, so it's about immersing myself in those communities.
Yeah.
And building those connections.
Exactly.
Networking. Yeah, okay, this is great. But what if I want to go beyond just the general crypto jobs and DAOs? Are there any niche areas for developers?
Oh, yeah, absolutely. Crypto is constantly evolving and creating new niches all the time.
Okay.
But one of the hottest areas right now, I'd say, is smart contract development.
Smart contracts. Okay. So that's something I'd have to learn a new language for.
Yeah, you probably need to learn something like Solidity,
Solidity.
but a lot of the underlying principles are the same,
Okay.
like any kind of coding.
Gotcha. So it's like learning a new framework.
Exactly. It just opens up a whole new world for you.
Okay. So smart contracts is a good one.
Yeah, and the demand is huge.
What else?
Well, with all this innovation, security is really important.
Yeah.
So security auditing is a good one.
Okay.
If you can spot vulnerabilities, find bugs, things like that.
Like a code detective.
Haha, yeah, exactly.
Okay. Any other niches we should be thinking about?
Yeah, dApp development is big right now.
dApp. So that's decentralized application.
Yeah, exactly.
Okay. And those are apps that run on the blockchain.
Yep, and they're used for everything. Gaming, social media, finance, all sorts of things.
Okay. So instead of building an app for the App Store, I'd be building it for the blockchain store, if that's even a thing.
It's becoming a thing.
Wow, this is really interesting. So, okay.
Yeah.
What about those of us who,
Yeah.
we like our traditional freelance work? Is there any way to get paid in crypto without
Oh, for sure.
overhauling our whole careers?
Yeah, you don't need to completely switch everything up. One option is to just specify crypto as a payment option. On your existing profiles, like Upwork, it might not have native crypto support, but
Right.
you can say that you accept Bitcoin or Ethereum.
Okay, so just be upfront about it.
Yeah, be proactive.
Good idea. Anything else?
Yeah, there are also some great tools out there for crypto invoicing and payments,
Okay.
like Bitwage and Request Finance.
Okay.
These let you generate invoices in crypto and make it easy for clients to pay you.
Okay. I like that.
Yeah, even if your clients aren't using crypto themselves, this makes it pretty seamless.
That's great. Okay. Any final thoughts before we wrap up this part?
I'd say one more thing to consider is offering crypto-specific services or packages.
Okay.
Like, let's say you're a web developer. You could offer a package that includes integrating crypto payment gateways into websites.
Oh, wow. Right.
Or if you're a designer, design token logos or things like that.
Okay, so find those connections between my skills and the crypto world.
Exactly.
Okay, I think we've covered a lot of ground here. And I'm feeling pretty inspired to dive into this whole crypto side hustle thing.
Awesome.
So let's recap some of the key takeaways for our listeners.
Sounds good.
All right, so first off, it seems like the crypto job market is booming right now.
Definitely.
And it's not just for blockchain developers, right?
Nope. All sorts of tech skills are in demand.
That's great to hear.
Yeah.
And a lot of these gigs are paying in crypto.
Yeah.
All right, and to find these jobs, we could start by looking at crypto-specific job platforms,
Right.
like Gitcoin
Uh-huh.
for those open source bounties, or Crypto Job List and LaborX for more traditional jobs.
Exactly.
Okay, great. And once we're on those platforms, we need to make sure our profiles are all,
Yeah. Cryptofied.
cryptofied, highlight those blockchain skills,
Mm.
show off any crypto projects we've worked on,
Yeah.
show our passion for the space.
Definitely.
Okay, awesome. And beyond the job boards, we've got DAOs,
Right.
these decentralized organizations that offer all sorts of opportunities for developers.
Yeah, they're great.
Really cool. And we can find these DAOs through platforms like Discord and Telegram.
Yep.
Okay, great. And if we want to specialize, we can look at things like smart contract development, security auditing,
Mhm.
dApp development,
Yeah.
all sorts of really cool niches out there.
Absolutely.
And even if we want to stick with our traditional freelance work,
Yeah.
we can still get paid in crypto
For sure.
just by specifying crypto as a payment option,
Right.
or using tools like Bitwage or
Mhm.
Request Finance for invoicing.
Exactly.
Okay, that's great. So it really seems like there's something for everyone in this crypto world,
Yeah, I think so.
regardless of your skill level or experience.
Yeah.
So that's it for this part of our deep dives, but we'll be back soon with even more insights and tips
Looking forward to it.
on how to find and land those coveted crypto side gigs. So stay tuned.
See you next time. Welcome back, everyone.
All right, so last time we talked about all these different opportunities
Right. All those crypto jobs.
for developers in this space.
Yeah, and all the different platforms and ways to find them.
Exactly.
But now
Now let's get into the,
the nitty-gritty.
yeah. How do we actually stand out and land those crypto gigs?
Right, because knowing where to look is only half the battle.
Totally. Yeah, you got to be able to convince them that you're the developer for the job.
Exactly. So that's what we're going to focus on now.
All right, let's do it.
Turning those aspirations into reality.
Okay.
So remember all those platforms we talked about?
Yeah, the job boards, the DAOs.
Right, those are your starting point.
Okay.
But don't just scroll through those listings aimlessly.
Right, we need to be strategic about it.
Exactly. It's like fishing. You wouldn't just cast your line anywhere.
No, you got to find the right spot, the right bait.
Exactly.
Okay, so how do we do that with crypto jobs?
Well, first, you got to know what kind of fish you're trying to catch.
What do you mean?
Like, what kind of projects are you passionate about?
Okay.
What skills do you want to use?
Gotcha. So if I'm really into DeFi and I like building like decentralized exchanges, I shouldn't be wasting my time applying for NFT design gigs.
Exactly. You want to focus on the platforms and DAOs that align with your interests.
Makes sense. Find my crypto tribe.
Exactly.
Okay. So once we know what we're looking for,
Yeah.
how do we make our profile stand out?
Okay, so think of your profile like your crypto resume,
Okay.
but with a bit more personality.
Right?
You need to highlight your technical skills, of course.
Right.
But you also want to show your passion. What projects have you contributed to?
Okay.
What unique perspectives do you have?
So humanize it a bit.
Yeah, exactly. Show them you're not just a code monkey.
Right. I'm actually excited about this stuff.
Yeah, and don't be afraid to reach out to projects or DAOs directly,
Oh.
even if they don't have any open positions listed.
So be proactive.
Exactly. They might be open to freelance work, collaborations, you never know.
Oh, okay. So it's all about making those connections. It's like
Indeed.
one big virtual networking event.
Yeah, think of it that way.
Okay, so when I'm reaching out, what should I be saying?
Well, first impressions matter.
Of course.
So craft a compelling pitch.
Okay.
Explain your skills, your experience, what you can bring to the table.
So no more like, hey, I'm a developer, hire me.
No, definitely not.
Okay, got it. So be specific and show them why I'm the one.
Exactly.
Okay, anything else to keep in mind when reaching out?
Well, the crypto world really values transparency and trust.
Okay.
So be upfront about your rates, your availability, your preferred payment methods.
Nice. All the important stuff.
And don't be afraid to ask questions.
Yeah, make sure it's a good fit for both sides.
Exactly.
Okay, so let's say I've done all that
Okay.
and I've landed my first crypto gig.
Awesome.
Congrats to me.
Congrats.
Now what?
Okay, so crypto payments are a little different.
How so?
Well, you'll need a crypto wallet
A crypto wallet. Okay.
to receive your earnings.
I've heard that term.
Yeah.
But what exactly is a crypto wallet?
Think of it like a digital bank account, but specifically for cryptocurrency.
So it's not an actual physical wallet.
Right. It's more like a software application or a secure online account.
Okay.
And there are different types.
Oh, okay.
Like hardware wallets.
Okay.
Those are like little physical devices, very secure,
Okay.
but maybe not as convenient for everyday transactions.
Gotcha. Like a high security vault.
Yeah, exactly.
Right.
And then you have software wallets.
Okay.
These are apps on your phone or computer, more convenient, but you need to be careful about security.
Okay, so like my everyday wallet, but digital.
Right. So which one you choose depends on your needs.
Makes sense if I'm just starting out.
Yeah.
Maybe a software wallet is fine.
Yeah. But if you're dealing with larger amounts, definitely go for the hardware wallet.
Okay, so once I have my wallet,
Yeah.
how do I actually get paid?
Your wallet will have a unique address,
Okay.
like your account number.
Gotcha.
You give that to your client, and they can send you crypto directly.
So it's like giving them my email address.
Yeah.
But instead of emails, it's crypto.
Exactly.
Okay.
And it all happens on the blockchain, so it's secure, transparent, and usually pretty fast.
That's pretty amazing. But what about, I've heard stories of people sending crypto to the wrong address.
Right. Yeah, that's definitely something to be careful about.
Okay, so how do I avoid that?
Double checking is key. Always make sure you're sending to the correct address.
Okay,
Never rush a transaction.
right.
Once it's sent, it's gone.
Okay, good to know.
And for large amounts, definitely use a hardware wallet.
Okay, got it. Be careful. Double check everything.
Exactly. It's always better to be safe than sorry.
This has been really helpful. I feel a lot more comfortable with this whole crypto payment thing now.
Good, I'm glad.
But we're not done yet. We've got one more part to go,
Right.
where we'll talk about even more specific strategies for finding and landing these crypto gigs.
Looking forward to it.
So stick around. We'll be back soon. Welcome back to our deep dive on crypto side hustles.
We're in the final stretch now.
I know. I can't believe how much we've covered already.
It's a lot to take in.
It is, but it's all so exciting.
I know, right?
Okay, so last time we were talking about crypto wallets and payments.
Right, making sure you get paid.
Exactly. But now I want to get back to the strategy side of things.
Okay, yeah, landing those gigs.
Oh, exactly. Let's talk about how to really make that happen.
Right, consider this our masterclass.
I'm ready.
So remember, it's not just about finding any crypto gig.
Right?
It's about finding the right one for you.
Yeah, the one that aligns with my skills, my interests,
Exactly.
my goals, everything.
So before you even start looking at job boards,
Okay.
take some time for self-reflection.
Okay, so look inward first.
Yeah, what are you passionate about?
What skills do I want to use?
What impact do you want to make?
Okay, so once I have a better idea of what I want.
Right, then you can tailor your search.
So if I love DeFi, I should be focusing on those DeFi platforms and DAOs.
Exactly. Don't waste time on stuff you're not interested in.
Gotcha. Okay, so once I've identified my niche,
Yeah.
we talked about our online profiles before.
Right, your crypto resume.
Yeah, how can I make mine really stand out?
Okay, well, think of it like marketing yourself.
Okay.
You're a crypto developer. What are your unique selling points?
What makes me different?
Yeah, highlight your strengths, your passions,
Okay.
share your experiences, your contributions, even your thoughts on crypto trends.
So tell my crypto story.
Exactly. Show them who you are.
Be authentic.
Exactly.
Okay, so I've got my niche. My profile is amazing.
Yeah.
How do I get noticed by the right people?
Networking.
Networking. Okay, but like we're talking about online communities here, right?
Right. Engage. Contribute to discussions. Share your insights.
So be an active member.
Exactly. Become a valuable part of the community.
Build that reputation.
And don't be afraid to reach out to people directly.
Okay, like who?
Developers you admire, project leads, even crypto influencers.
Wow, okay, so take initiative.
Yeah, it's all about building relationships.
Okay, and when I reach out,
Yeah.
what should I say?
Personalize your message. Show them you've done your research.
Okay, no generic messages.
No, show them why you're a good fit.
Okay, like a mini proposal.
Exactly.
Okay, I can do that.
Great.
So what about job applications, like the traditional kind?
Right, well, same thing. Tailor your application to the specific role.
Okay, show them I understand their needs.
Exactly, and research the company, their culture.
Okay, so do my homework.
Yeah, and be prepared for remote interviews.
Oh, right, because a lot of crypto projects are remote.
Yeah, and often across multiple time zones.
Okay, so be flexible.
Exactly, and have a good internet connection, a quiet space.
Gotcha.
And be prepared to talk about your passion for crypto.
Okay, show them I'm a true believer.
Yeah, they want to know you're invested.
Okay, this has been an amazing deep dive.
I'm glad you found it helpful.
I really have. I've learned so much.
Good, I'm glad we could share some insights.
And I think the biggest takeaway for me is that it's not just about the technical skills.
Right.
It's about the passion,
Absolutely.
the curiosity,
Yeah,
and embracing this whole decentralized future.
couldn't have said it better myself.
So to all our listeners out there, whether you're just starting your crypto journey or you're already a seasoned pro,
Yeah.
remember, The future is code.
And the opportunities are limitless.
Go out there and build something amazing.
Exactly.
Thanks for joining us, and we'll see you next time.
Prolific is revolutionizing recruitment with next-gen software solutions for companies. But we're not stopping there. We're enhancing the candidate experience with high-quality, bug-free application pages, real-time status notifications, and a supportive job board portal, designed to make job searches smoother and more engaging. Prolific redefining recruitment for everyone involved.
Don't forget to like, follow, and subscribe to stay updated with the latest episodes and exclusive content designed to enhance your recruitment strategies.